Guys, meron kaming sideboard. Malaking, what do you call this? Cabinet. Tapos sinampak ko na siya. Bukas na siya. Kasi mahirap siyang buksan. To show you, it's quite long. And I'm just gonna carry this to the sitting room para install. Go. Kami mga package para buksan. I'm just going to carry this one by one and then install it in there. Okay. May pinagpatong sila na they stuck them all together. The other one's got paddings, but this one doesn't have a padding, so just stuck them all together like this. And now this one has got scratch in it, I think. Anyway, ito yung front niya, part glossy. Glossy siya. This one is the biggest one. Look at that. That's nice. Ayan na po yung mga parts niya. This is the parts. Glossy parts here. They don't have instructions. But no. Ito yung parts niya. There's a glass in here, 2 glass. And there's 3 of this. And this long piece. At ito yung mga parts niya, other parts. There's another one there. And let's see if we could install it as fast. Ito yata yung equipment niya. Buksan po natin ito. This one. This is part of the... I think we could find the instructions. Ito is the lights. May lights siya. Yung mga parts niya. Ito. The screws. The sliders. Ganda yung pagka-paint ng sliders. There's 4 of those. 4. Got extra screws. As you can tell, there's a lot of screws in it, and it's a big thing to install. There we go, the instructions. We got the instructions. Oh dear. Wow. Then we'll take like 2 days. Days to install this. We're gonna try to install it like that. Look. Let's see. Locks. I think it is. I think that's for the legs. Do we have legs? I don't think there's legs in it. But I think it's part of the legs. I don't know how you call this stuff, you know. We got those. What we got more of that. Like wheels. Oh, sorry, Pinay. That's it. See you in a bit. I'll have to read the instructions first. Sabi, we need to separate this D. Let's see what D it is here. The annoying part is, seems like they don't have numbers. They don't have a letters in the one that we got in the smaller package. How can you tell what's the D here? It doesn't have instructions. That's annoying. What did it all look like? I think that was it here. Okay, let's see. That's the only thing that's quite similar to that. Is that the one? This is strange. They usually have letters on the plank and then letters for the screws, so that we could know which one is actually fits to this. It's all annoying. There we go. As you can see, I separated all the screws or everything we need, small things that we need to install this. Separated that. I don't know how you call those. I think this is for the locks. I think so. Just together with that. That's why they're next to each other. I don't know what's that, but this one you need this with the screw thing. And this one, I think this is in the corner. I have to wear gloves to make sure. I guess silicone. I think you use this at the end. You want to put it into the gaps that you don't want to, like a screws that you don't want to look exposed. You want it to look pretty because screws heads doesn't look nice sometimes. Yeah, and that's it. And we'll try to put. I think the first thing we need to do was this here. I think we need 10. We need 10 of that. I think inside. We have to put them inside. I'm gonna put all them all here. Inside. This one's a bit tight. I forgot to wear my gloves because it all ended up hurting. I'm gonna put all of that in there. Next will be is how to do it. Now install, what is this? The slider, I think. This one. We need this one. We need this. CR. I'm wearing gloves because I got blister. There we go. Then we have to out of 5. Nearly there. Not half through it yet. I thought it would be easy. But it wasn't. I think I have done some mistake there, so but let's see. Now we're gonna screw the feet. This part here. Here. Yeah. Okay. It's just this one. There we go. Let's see what's next. See you in a bit. You just screw and put it in. It's plywood. I think. No. Okay. Good. This way.
Office closed on it.
Thanks. How do I do this? It's done. It's done, guys. It's dark in here. You can't really see it. Put the things back now. I put this one too. That was hard work. Finally done it. I'll show you tomorrow when it's completed because I need to put the glass as well. Thank you. There we go, it's done. Just got glass in there.